Are you tired of eating sad, cold food at the campsite while everyone else is chowing down on something that actually smells amazing? Today, we're fixing that. I've rounded up the 12 best Dutch ovens for camping so you can cook like a pro, whether you're feeding 2 people or a whole crew. We're breaking down capacity, build quality, accessories, and value. So stick around because the right pick is in this list. The Blinko Camp Dutch Oven kicks off our list as a serious workhorse for group camping trips. It holds an impressive 8 quarts, handles temperatures up to 500 degrees F, and comes ready to cook straight out of the box with its pre-seasoned cast iron. The flanged lid keeps coals in place perfectly, and the lid lifter is a thoughtful bonus that protects your hands. If you're cooking for a crowd around the fire, this oven's dual handles and bail handle give you solid control even when it's packed full. The heat retention is excellent, and it plays well with open flames, coals, and camp stoves alike. A fantastic pick for large group camping cookouts. Next up, the Velazze Camping Dutch Oven steps in as one of the biggest options on this list, coming in at around 10 quarts, depending on the bundle you grab. The solid cast iron construction delivers even, consistent heat distribution, perfect for long simmers, stews, and campfire baking. Its flanged lid is built to hold a good layer of coals without any fuss. Some bundles even throw in a lid lifter and stand, which makes setup at the campsite a lot easier. The balanced heat across the base and walls is something camp cooks will really appreciate, best for those who want maximum capacity and a heavy-duty feel. Number 3. Lodge Camp Dutch Oven. If Dutch ovens had a Hall of Fame, the Lodge Camp Dutch Oven would have a permanent spot. This 8-quart beast is made right here in the America, and it's been the industry standard for durability and performance for decades. The factory seasoning is thick and reliable, and the wire bail handle is simple but rock solid. What sets Lodge apart is the long-term trust factor. This thing will outlast your camping gear, your tent, and honestly, probably you. The flanged lid locks in moisture and holds coals beautifully. The undisputed benchmark, a buy-it-once, use-it-forever Dutch oven. Coming in at number 4, the Overmont Camp Dutch Oven is a smart pick for campers who want solid performance without spending a lot. It's a compact 6 quarts, pre-seasoned, and comes with a lid lifter included. The standout feature here is its dual-use flanged lid, which doubles as a skillet, 2 tools in one. This kind of versatility is huge when you're trying to pack light and keep your kit minimal. The build quality punches above its price point, and the skillet lid opens up options like eggs, pancakes, and searing. A budget-friendly gem with a clever bonus feature. At number 5, the Uno Casa Camping Dutch Oven brings something no other option on this list offers, a carry bag included right in the box. This 6-quart cast iron oven is pre-seasoned and ready to go, and the flanged lid works perfectly over campfire coals. But that travel bag makes transporting it so much cleaner and easier. Whether you're loading up a truck, a camper, or hiking into a base camp, having a dedicated bag for your Dutch oven is a real quality of life win. It also comes with a lid lifter, so you're fully equipped. Perfect for campers who prioritize portability and organization. Number 6. Stansport Dutch Oven. If your priority is keeping costs low and just getting a reliable pot over the fire, the Stansport Dutch Oven has you covered. It's an affordable entry-level cast iron oven that comes pre-seasoned and is widely available at outdoor retailers. The flanged lid design is standard and does the job without any frills. This is the kind of oven you grab when you're just getting started with campfire cooking or need a backup that won't hurt the wallet. It's simple, it works, and it's easy to find. The best just-get-it-done budget option on the list. Number 7 is for the campers who love a complete kit. The edging casting camping Dutch oven often comes bundled with a tripod, turning it into a full outdoor cooking setup right out of the box. At around 6 quarts, it's the right size for small to medium groups, and the heavy-duty handles make it easy to manage even when fully loaded. Pre-seasoned cast iron means you're ready to cook on day one. The tripod bundle is where this one really shines. You get a suspended cooking rig that works over open flame without needing a dedicated fire grate. It's a surprisingly complete package for the price. A great all-in-one kit for campers who want to hit the ground cooking. Coming in at number 8 is an alternate version of the popular Overmont, and yes, it's worth mentioning separately. The Overmont Alt model carries the same 6-quart size and skillet-lid combo that made the original a hit, but with slight variations in design and finish. It's still pre-seasoned cast iron and still comes with the lid lifter. If the original Overmont is out of stock or you find this version at a better price, it's a safe grab with nearly identical performance. Both deliver the dual-use skillet-lid advantage that budget campers love. A solid backup choice if the original Overmont isn't available. Number 9 goes a little off the beaten path. The North River Casting Camping Dutch Oven has a niche design that leans into roasting and specialty cooking, not just the usual stews and soups. It's a pre-seasoned cast iron pot that handles campfire heat well, and it's marketed toward campers who want to get creative with their outdoor meals. If you love roasting garlic, whole chickens, or doing something a little more culinary at the campsite, this one caters to that crowd. It won't replace a standard Dutch oven for everyday camp cooking, but it adds a fun dimension to your outdoor kitchen, a specialty pick for the adventurous campfire cook. At number 10, the Camp Chef Camping Dutch Oven earns serious points for its thoughtful design. The 3-leg base keeps it perfectly stable directly over campfire coals without needing a grate, and the true seasoned finish means it's genuinely ready to cook right away. The flanged lid is deep and coal-friendly, making it a reliable oven for baking bread, cobblers, or anything that needs even top heat. Camp Chef has been designing outdoor cooking gear for a long time, and it shows in the details here. This is one of the few ovens on this list that feels purpose-built specifically for campfire use. Excellent for serious outdoor cooks who want campfire-specific design. Coming in at number 11, the Campfire Camping Dutch Oven is one of the newer names on this list, but don't sleep on it. It's a pre-seasoned cast iron oven with a flanged lid and competitive pricing that makes it an interesting entry-level option. For a newer brand, the feature set is on par with what you'd expect from more established names. If you're shopping on a tight budget and want a fresh option beyond the usual suspects, Campfire is worth a look. It covers the basics without cutting corners on the essentials. A newcomer that delivers solid value for budget-conscious campers. Rounding out our list is the Chef Dutch Oven, a hybrid design that gives you both a pot and a skillet lid in one package. The pre-seasoned cast iron build is solid, and the multi-use design means you're getting more cooking options than a standard Dutch oven offers. This kind of versatility is a big win when you're keeping your camp kitchen light. Whether you want to braise something low and slow or flip it around for a quick sear on the lid, this oven adapts to your cooking style. It's a fresh take on the classic camp Dutch oven format, best for versatile cooks who want a hybrid tool for camp and home. And that wraps up our full guide to the best Dutch ovens for camping. If I had to pick just 2, the Lodge is the all-time trust pick, and the Camp Chef is the best for serious campfire cooking. All the links are down in the description. Go check them out. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a gear guide. Now tell me, which Dutch oven caught your eye? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.